Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're here with another how to create upcycled puppets, or how to create a Smiley dog the hard way. Here he is. His name is Smiley. He is a Boston Terrier, maybe? I don't know. We'll see. Somebody will tell me. And he says, squeeze on off. So ready? Here we go.
I can't smile without you. I can't laugh and I can't sing. I find it hard to do anything. You see, I feel sad when you're sad. I feel glad.
I don't know if it's sad that it's just a sad dog singing this, or the fact the batteries are dying and it's... Okay, let's see if it does another song. No, it doesn't. All right, there he is. Let's see, did he actually move his mouth? He did. Well, let's see what we can do with him. All right, so down here, let's get my glasses. Down here, I'm feeling around, and it's got kind of a groove there. It may be one of those with the zip tie. Let me see here. I don't know. It might be. Oh, yep. There it is. Okay. So let's see if we can do this the easy way. Get in there and, yeah, did it do it? It sure did. Wow. Talk about easy. Let's get that zip tie out of there. That might make it a little bit easier. Come on. He said he couldn't smile without me. Well, he can't come apart without me either. Okay, that's fine. We'll just do that. Okay. By the way, I paid $2 for this. A whopping $2. There's a tail, so I have to make the tail come through that little spot right there. Don't break the tail, don't break the tail. Oh wow, there's a tail, all right. There it is. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, this is glued down. Let's pull that off. There we go. These are getting much easier. Much easier. Actually, I didn't even need to do that. Sorry about that. There it goes. Are you kidding me? That was it. It was that simple. I will, however, try and do that. Now, here's one fun thing. The legs were tied down. So what we're going to do is we're going to snip the arms off the body. There we go. There's one. And two. Okay. So now the arms are free to move around, okay? Now I just have to get that switch out. Oh. Sorry. Is that just, oh, that is, okay, hold on. This is going to be easy. There we go. Okay, I think that's it. Sorry. Wait, one more. It was double stitched. Double stitched. And they really looped it through there several times. Actually, I got to get that other one too. I thought they were both, oh boy. Here we go. Hold on. That tricky way of getting it. Okay, did I get it? There it is. Dun dun dun. So we now have the body of the dog and then the inside here. So let's see what the inside does. on its own. Here we go.
You know I can't
That's cool.
smile without you.
Oh, man.
Smile without you. I can't
It does. It's like
and
a,
I
it's
can't
like a weird, like a vulture. Look at it. It's got like a vulture's back. And then this little guy back here. That's pretty cool. And this little momentary switch. There we go. Okay. Well, I'll tell you what. This one is going to go right here in my little box there in a space of honor because I'm going to check it out later on. You might see it in upcoming videos because I probably won't move it around much. But here we go. Oh, this is awesome. This is totally awesome. Hello. I am a Boston Terrier. I love to sing and dance and talk about sad songs. Well, I don't know about that, but I'll tell you what. This little guy may be a future puppet of mine where I can use him and perform with him because he looks pretty cool. He can look at me and he can talk to you. Hello there. I'm a Boston Terrier. At least I think I am. What do you think I am? I think he's a Boston Terrier as well. Well, thank you. So there he is. We have now created a puppet and it is out of, I don't even know what it says here. There it is, out of a little Boston Terrier animated toy. We did it. Nice. All right. Hey, thank you for coming. For those of you who've been with us before, thank you, thank you. For those of you who are new to the channel, please, please, please subscribe. And you'll get all the updates. And we'll see you next time. This is the DIY Magician. Until next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.